Varsana is the four heads of Brahma, Jatush, Brahma. There's four mountains there, Dangar, Vilaskar, and Mangar. Four small hills or mountains, we say hillocks or small mountains. And each one is one of the four heads of Brahma. So all those shilas are special, those rugs are special. But then Nandagram is Lord Shiva. It's called Nandishwar Parvat. Parvat means mountain. So it's the mountain of the controller of Nandi. Nandi is the bull. The bull, the controller of the bull is Nandishwar. Nandishwar is name for Shiva. So Nandishwar Parvat, Shiva became that Parvat, so he could serve Krishna's Leela. And on the top of that Parvat there's a Shiva Linga. It's called Nandishwar Mahadev. And after Krishna takes his first Bhoga, Madhamangal and the Brahmins, they offer the Bhoga to, you can put that on number 2. So number 3 now, let's see if we can get that. Yeah, that's good. Let's see how it goes. See how you feel. So the Brahmin boys and Nandagam, they offer the food to the deity of Lord Narayan. Krishna's father is a Vishnu Bhakta, Vaishnava. He worships Lakshmi Narayan. They have a mandir because he's a king. And they have Brahmins, like Madhamangal and others, they do the puja. And then they offer the Mahaprasad Narayan to Krishna. Krishna eats the prasad. And then after Krishna takes, and right after that, the plate is taken to Nandishwar, Lord Shiva. And Lord Shiva gets the remnants of Krishna. This is the system in Nandagram, the puja. So one might think, well, let me take one rock from this very sacred and special Parvat, this hill of Nandagram, and worship this Shila, because Govardhan is called Vishnu Parvat, and Nandishwar is called Shiva Parvat, and Varsana is called Brahma Parvat. So as we have the three devatas, or the three Ishwaras controlling the material world, we have Vishnu, Shiva, and Brahma. So similarly in Braj we have Vishnu is represented by the Vishnu Parvat, which we call Govardhan Hill, Giriraj. And Brahma is represented in Varsana by the four peaks of Varsana, the four hills of Radharani's palace and lilas. And Shiva is represented in Nandagram.